With DocHub, you can customize your PDF by adding an image. To begin, upload a document to your DocHub account or open an existing one. From the toolbar at top, click the image icon and select any image file format from your device. You can also drag and drop an image anywhere on the document. Once added, you can resize, replace, or delete your image. At DocHub, you can also create a full-page image. To do so, click the Page Controls icon in the top left corner, and then click the Add Page icon in the bottom left. Drag and drop an image page from your device, or add it from the cloud storage service of your choice. You can easily reorder image pages using drag and drop functionality.